Hello, welcome to our video. I will explain our prototype working functions. We created online booking hotel, Mellifluous Hotel, the hotel where every stay is as sweet and harmonious as a melody, offering an experience that both soothing and delightful. Sa simula, magpapakita yung homepage ng hotel website na naglalaman ng information about our hotel. There's an option like home, offers, about, FAQ, contacts, and login. Sa website offers, nakalagay si like user-friendly interface, hassle-free reservation, information as secured para mapagbigay panatag sa aming mga user. Reservations. Nandito pinapakita yung iba't ibang available na hotel bedroom na pwedeng i-book sa aming website. About us, short description tungkol sa aming website. My team, my teammates, we work hard to make our plans to be realistic. FAQ. This is the part for the frequently asked question to our possible customers. This part naman ay kung saan kami pwedeng i-contact about feedbacks, questions, suggestions, and reviews. Napakadali lang mag-sign up. In just 1 minute, mayroon ka na ring account. Ito ang bubungad after mag-login. This is our dashboard. Accounts. Lalabas dito yung recent purchase na ginawa ng user. Rooms. Dito siya pwedeng mag-book whether masteral, couples, single, or family bedroom. Balance. Pwede ka rito mag-top up or mag-store ng balance for other transactions or renewals. Settings. For the account to edit your privacy, notifications, and choose language. Ito naman ang POV ng Hotel Booking Manager. Dito makikip ang transaction ng user through booking in our website, kung anong type ng bedroom, username, and the date of book. It can be booked out ng may handle ng booking dashboard through their system once na nakaalis na sila, and it will added na ulit sa total available ng mga rooms.